Welcome to the channel. Today we'll explore the 3 key pieces of evidence that support the Big Bang Theory. Fact 1. Cosmic microwave background radiation. Imagine you have a time machine, and you can go back in time to when the universe was very young. At that time, the universe was incredibly hot and filled with energy. As it expanded and cooled down, something remarkable happened. It left behind a faint, uniform glow of microwave radiation, like the afterglow of a fireworks show. This afterglow, called the cosmic microwave background, CMB, still exists today. Scientists have found it, and it's everywhere in the universe. It's like a snapshot of the universe's early days. The CMB's temperature is extremely cold now, around minus 455 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 270 degrees Celsius. But its discovery and its specific properties strongly support the idea that the universe started with a Big Bang. Fact 2. Redshift of galaxies. Imagine that you're on a moving walkway at an airport, and you're surrounded by people moving away from you. The farther they are from you, the faster they're walking away. This is similar to what we see when we look at galaxies in the universe, as astronomers have noticed that galaxies are not just sitting still, they're moving away from us, and the farther away they are, the faster they're moving away. This observation supports the Big Bang Theory because it suggests that everything in the universe was once very close together, and then it started to expand. Fact 3. Abundance of light elements. Think of the early universe like a cosmic kitchen. In this kitchen, there were ingredients like hydrogen and helium. As the universe heated up and expanded, these ingredients cooked together to create the light elements we see today. When we look at the universe's recipe, we see that it has just the right amounts of hydrogen and helium, like a well-balanced dish. This matches what the Big Bang Theory predicts should happen. It's like finding a recipe book that explains how the universe was cooked in its early days. And when we check, the recipe matches the meal perfectly. In simple terms, these 3 pieces of evidence tell us that the universe was once very hot, very dense, and very small, and it has been expanding and cooling down ever since. So, there you have it, a deeper understanding of the Big Bang Theory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more engaging content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next video, fellow Starborn.